Demonstrate. Here's Jim. Jim will demonstrate the various fart noises displayed in this field guide to farts. The name of the book is Farts: A Spotter's Guide. Okay. That was number one? Okay. Okay, go to page 1. The seismic blast. We're doing this in a restaurant. Okay. That's lovely. Okay, number 2, so to speak. The silent but deadly, which is not really silent. Close. Number 3, blowing smoke. Lovely. Number 4, the one that got away. I think we definitely have the baby toy to give our friends for years to come. Flight of the Buttock Bees.
Jan's training everything out.
Number 6, the poof. And number 7, in between states. Number 8, the sleeping dog. Number 9, the long goodbye.